Welcome to Discover Destinations, your passport to the world. From bucket list wonders to secret escapes, we take you beyond the guidebooks. Join us every week as we uncover the beauty, stories, and flavors of destinations around the globe. Discover Destinations, let the journey begin. Disclaimer, information in this video is based on personal experience and research during filming. Always double check local guidelines, safety advice, and travel requirements before your trip. Studying in the UK. Thinking of studying in the UK? You're not alone. With world-class education, global connections, and endless opportunities, the UK remains one of the top destinations for international students. This guide covers the full UK university admission process, explains a CAS letter, and walks through the student visa application step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right university. Start with research. Look for universities that offer your desired course, match your budget, align with your career goals. Useful tools include UCAS, Universities and Colleges Admission Service, University League Tables, QS World Rankings. Important, ensure the university is on the UKVI approved sponsor list. Only these institutions can issue a CAS letter for your visa. Step 2. The application process for undergraduate programs. Apply through UCAS. You can choose up to 5 universities. For postgraduate studies or specific universities, apply directly on the university's website. Common application requirements, academic transcripts, personal statement, references, proof of English proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL, etc. CV, optional but sometimes requested. Step 3. Receiving an offer. After applying, expect one of 2 outcomes. Conditional offer. Admission depends on meeting certain requirements, e.g., final grades or test scores. Unconditional offer, admission confirmed with no further conditions. Respond to your chosen offer through UCAS or the university's portal. Step 4. Meeting conditions and paying a deposit. Once conditions are met, most universities require a tuition deposit, typically between £1,000 and £5,000. After this step, you're ready to receive your CAS letter. Step 5. Receiving the CAS, confirmation of acceptance for studies. CAS is a unique reference number that proves you've been accepted and is required for your visa application. To get the CAS, provide valid passport, academic documents, tuition deposit payment receipt, TB test if required, financial documents covering tuition plus 9 months living expenses. Once approved, the university emails the CAS number along with a letter detailing your course, tuition fees, and sponsor license number. Step 6. Student visa application, UK student route. Apply online via the UKVI website. Required documents, CAS number, passport, financial documents, English test results if required, a TAS certificate for certain STEM courses, immigration health surcharge approximately £776 per year, visa application fee approximately £490. Next steps, book a biometrics appointment. Upload documents online or submit them at a visa application center. Wait for a decision, usually within 3 weeks. Step 7. Arriving in the UK. If approved, a 90-day visa vignette will be placed in your passport. Upon arrival, collect your BRP, Biometric Residence Permit, within 10 days, usually from a designated post office. Arrive up to 1 month before your course starts. Bring printed copies of all essential documents when traveling. Final tips: double check all deadlines. Be honest and accurate in your application. Keep documents well organized. Contact your university's international office for any clarification. Conclusion: ready to study in the UK. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more student guides, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching Discover Destinations, and best of luck on your journey.